Hello, children. Welcome to my story world. The title of today's story is The Fight in the Fridge. Imagine a big fight inside a refrigerator. So let's start with the story. Ben's fridge is a very busy place today. All the fruits and vegetables and food inside are having a big fight. They can't decide who Ben likes the most. Ben, he loves us vegetables. We make yummy yummy soup, said carrot and tomatoes. No, he likes me. He has a glass full of milk every morning, so he likes me the most, said Milk angrily. No. Well, he has a yummy crunchy toast every morning, said the bread. So that means he likes me. But bread is so boring without us. We make it salty or sweet, said butter and jam. They all were fighting. They all were having a big fight inside the refrigerator. Ha, said the apple. I am juicy and crisp. He loves me the most. Not so fast, said the mango. I am sweeter than you. He likes me. No, he pops a juicy grape into his mouth every time he passes, said the grape. We are the best, sang all the eggs. We give Ben all the energy he needs. Well, I make him feel cool and refreshed on a hot day, said the juice. And so they all argued and fought over who Ben likes the most. Just then, Ben opened the fridge. Shh, said the milk. It's Ben. Let's see who he picks up for breakfast today. They were all in for a surprise, for Ben picked one of everything. He had decided to have a fruit salad, an omelette, a sandwich, milk, and a juice for breakfast. So while Ben ate his big healthy breakfast, everyone in the fridge was quiet. He likes us all, said the milk bottle. Let's not fight anymore, said the carrot. And they never ever fought again. So, children, do you eat a healthy breakfast as Ben did? Please like the story if you really enjoyed it. Until then, take care and do listen to your parents. Bye bye.